In this video, I'll show you how to fix a BASE44 app not publishing. If your app is stuck, showing an error, failing to go live, or not updating after you click publish, there are a few quick things you can check to solve the problem. First, open your BASE44 dashboard and select the app that is not publishing. Before trying to publish again, open the app in the editor and check if there are any visible errors, missing pages, broken buttons, incomplete workflows, or unfinished setup steps. Sometimes BASE44 may block publishing if something important inside the app is not configured correctly. Next, refresh the editor and try publishing again. Temporary loading issues can happen, especially if the app has many pages, integrations, or recent changes. After refreshing, wait for the app to fully load, then click the Publish button again. If the app still does not publish, check your app settings. Make sure the app name, URL, access settings, and permissions are properly configured. If you're using a custom domain, confirm that the domain settings are correct and that the domain is properly connected before publishing. Another common issue is broken integrations. If your app uses Stripe, database tables, authentication, APIs, or external services, make sure everything is connected correctly. A failed integration can sometimes prevent the app from publishing or cause the live version to break after publishing. Now, check if there are any errors in the AI chat or editor messages. BASE44 may show warnings explaining what needs to be fixed before the app can go live. If you see an error message, copy it and ask BASE44 to fix the issue directly. For example, you can type, "Fix the publishing error and make this app ready to go live." If you recently made big changes to the app, try undoing the last major edit or asking BASE44 to review the latest changes. Sometimes a new page, workflow, database field, or payment setup can create a conflict that stops the app from publishing properly. You should also test the app preview before publishing. Click through the main pages, submit forms, test buttons, and make sure the app works inside the editor. If something is broken in preview mode, fix that first before trying to publish again. If the publish button is not responding, try using a different browser or clearing your browser cache. Sometimes browser extensions, old cache files, or session issues can interfere with the BASE44 editor. You can also try logging out and logging back in to refresh your session. If the app publishes but the live link does not update, wait a short moment and open the link in an incognito window. Sometimes your browser may still show an older cached version of the app. Opening the app in a private window helps you confirm whether the new version is actually live. If nothing works, duplicate or clone the app and try publishing the copied version. This can help if the original project is stuck because of a hidden editor issue or corrupted setting. Once the cloned version works, you can continue editing from there. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix a BASE44 app not publishing. The main steps are simple. Check for errors, refresh the editor, review settings, test integrations, fix broken pages, clear browser cache, and try publishing again. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more BASE44, no-code, AI tools, and app building tutorials.